The U.S. Supreme Court has rejected an appeal by 4 former Guantanamo Bay prisoners, arguing that they should be able to proceed with their lawsuit against top Pentagon officials for torture and religious abuse. The justices refused to review a U.S. appeals court ruling that dismissed the lawsuit by the 4 British citizens over their treatment at the U.S. military base, on the grounds that officials such as ex-Defense Secretary Donald Rumsfeld enjoyed immunity. The lawsuit, filed by Shafiq Rasool, Asif Iqbal, Ruhel Ahmed, and Jamal al-Harith, targeted Rumsfeld and 10 military commanders who they say are ultimately responsible for their claims that they were subjected to various forms of torture, harassed as they practiced their religion, and forced to shave their religious beards. According to the suit, in one instance, a guard threw a Quran into the toilet bucket. They claimed violations of a U.S. religious rights law and the U.S. Constitution. The Obama administration had urged the Supreme Court to reject the men's appeal. Lead attorney Eric Lewis said, quote, "It is an awful day for the rule of law and common decency when the Supreme Court lets stand such an inhuman decision. The final word on whether these men had a right not to be tortured or a right to practice their religion free from abuse is that they did not. Future prospective torturers can now draw comfort from this decision. The Obama administration, in its rush to protect executive power, lost its moral compass and persuaded the Supreme Court to avoid a central moral challenge. Today, our standing in the world has suffered a further great loss."